Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can overlay a green screen on CapCut PC. Now sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't really. Like when it's like this, it is a little bit harder, but I'm just going to show you for like this one. For instance, I want to overlay this on top of a video. So I'm just going to add in a video underneath where they have kind of opened the green screen. So go to cutout, select chroma key, select the color picker, select the green, and adjust the strength, but not by like a lot. If there's like gaps here, add in some shadows and it will cover that up. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!